Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about, and she's talking about homelessness, and she's talking about the fact that she's not homeless. She's saying that basically she is living a great life. She's saying that for her, there's someone that's always coming in to empty her garbage in the morning or in the afternoon, and asking her what it is that she needs to be done. And she's saying that she has free coffee, she has free tea, she got her free breakfast or free meal every morning. And so what is it about her that is so homeless? Marcia is, going to the post office to deliver her items. As you know, she's selling her sheets, her curtains, her blankets and stuff. And so she's just having a great time. And she's letting her fans and people that are not her fans know that, listen man, I am not homeless, I'm just doing me at this time. She's also talking about men and the way that men treat women in today's society. She's saying that we should be vigilant and open our eyes, because men, they can say, oh baby, I love you so much, and it's not true. So Marcia is talking about this and more, so go catch the video. And remember guys to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful evening.
Get free coffee and free tea and free breakfast and room service to come and clean for me. This homeless girl is living very nice. Isn't that nice, Dan? And the rest of members only. Yes. I don't have to buy no tea. I don't have to pay no rent. Well, I gotta pay rent. I'm just saying, I gotta pay my money, but I'm just saying. Like yesterday, I made a mistake and I said I'm only paying $300 a month. But what I meant was, I'm talking about my storage. Between my two storage, I'm paying $300 and something. So when you hear my mouth slip and said I'm paying $300 for it, I am no. But for my storage, that's how much I'm paying to store my furniture. You know, these people come up here, and I know you people trying to intimidate me and insult me. Marcia, you have no shame tree when it comes to certain things. The only things that I don't like is slandering and disrespect. But when you come up here and talk about homeless, me can't homeless in America. That's number one. Because me, Marcia Campbell, as I repeat myself like a broken record, I never purchased a home. And I'm not living outside. So even when you come by here and talking about karma this and karma that, I want no karma depend me. Karma depend me now if me out I don't have nowhere to go and I catch a people yard. Karma would depend me in a fine establishment, laying my head where me see people come a while ago and knock. Do you want room service? Do you have anything? Do you have any? Down to me Ross garbage. Down to me garbage, then go ask me. Do you have any garbage you want to take out? I mean, come on. And you talking about me? I don't think so. Me not think so. You can't come discriminate me and call me homeless when so many prominent people are coming to that establishment to stay. And people of all colors. So, and me I talk to, not me. Uno trying to intimidate, it's not gonna work. As I said before, Marcia have one of the best page on social media and one of the best inspirational and motivational girl. One of the best. Uno can't take my motivational thing. Someone need to walk out in the video light if you're motivational girl. Yes, uno talk about walk out in the video light if you're cute girl. Uno just hype, nothing about Someone need to wear the old wig, same way. That's why my old wig them can look nice by my head and shine through. But who don't want to shine through? I can wear wig and I can wear without wig. You understand? Me can take off my wig and me still look at a nice and sexy area. And uno not confident to do so. Uno cannot come on Facebook and take off the wig. Tell the people them we are blogging past social media, take off the wig. Let me see them frowns the head. And me wash my ear every other day. So tell them to take off it. Tell them to take it off and still look good, said we. Tell them to take it off and come here and let me see them earline. Come here and tell them, say, when them a come criticize me, take out them false teeth. Take out them false teeth and let me see how them jawbone sink in like a mongrel dog. Yes, tell them when they're talking about me, tell them to come take out them false teeth. Let me see them face. Let me see if them jawbone full out like mine. Let me see if them have all them teeth in them head. Yes, but when them a chat me. Yes, let them talk. Let them come and criticize me. Let them come and show them beautiful skin, honey. Let them come. Let them come. Me not have no filter today. Me only have a makeup on my face. That's what I have. I ain't got no filter. I'm going to shiny glitter and something. That's all me have. I ain't got no filter. This is me when I put on a little makeup on my face. Yes, so you tell me no. Me not look brown. If you want me brown, I can surely brown. I can wear brown or I can wear chocolate. Oh, that's why you tell me say me it takes so long to reach. Oh, are the whole heap of work where take place. That's why you give me that whole heap of time there. Oh. Them too bright. Them too bright. Me don't know who I talk to. Who need to go take a look all over social media and look at their life and ask if they're living, honey. Because them not living. They're not living. No way at all. They ain't living. When me see them start free like a bird like a me and live like a me, then call it living. Because somehow, you know, I was listening to a white guy who was giving a speech this morning on YouTube. He said not because a man call a baby, he mean it. Not because him call a children, him love you. Or because him put the ring by your finger, him love you. Or because him call a sweetheart, him love you. In a them farmer way there. A man is going to love you and when him respect you and treat you. So treatment is different from how a man call your name. So because one is reality and one is facts. Because a man will come and call you sweetheart and baby every single day. And them not treat you like a sweetheart and baby. So we as women have to take a look into our relationship when it comes to talking to a man, dating a man, married into a man, and having those perspective of our lives to see how a man's supposed to treat us. All them love to call us baby, sweetheart, all kind of pretty name. But when it comes to reality, they are not spending enough time with us. They are not giving us nothing. They're breeding up with all our children, and every year pass, they have not gone down on their knee and asked, will you marry me? So, ladies, we have to step up our games in this time. You understand? We have to step up our game. If a man is going to be calling us baby, and
in 2 miles,
take exit 34 toward North Main Street.
Sweetheart, and all them the lovely fancy name there. How many days a week you hear a man a call you baby and sweetheart and sweet talking, and are you them a beg something? You are the one who have to. How many of you dating a man right now into your countries? I'm not going to stereotype. I am, because there is different genre of people that is watching me from all over the world, and lots of you guys are in
speed check reported ahead
On I-91
relationship. How much of uno out there talking to somebody where them come and sweet talk uno every fine day? Sweetheart and baby this and baby that, I love you. Up until today you have not received a birthday gift. Up until today you have not received a Christmas gift. They have not proposed to in no farm away. You can barely get them to talk to them. So we have to dress back ourselves. We have to dress back ourselves Why people don't leave me alone? Because I'm the best. They're intimidated.
Use the right lane.
Take exit 34 toward North Main Street.
Yeah, they are intimidated by my intelligence and my spirit. My spirit is very intimidated to them because my spirit is a wise one. We get my wiseness,
Take the exit.
certain
Then
things
turn
from
right onto
God
Windsor Avenue toward Hartford.
and my spiritual
At the
ancestors
light, use
who
the
tell
right
me
lane to
things.
turn onto Windsor Avenue toward Hartford.
Who tell me things. So when I come and I predict things and things come true, they're intimidated. My spirit on social media
Turn right.
is intimidated to a lot of them. So that's why they don't like me, because guess what? I come out and I split the truth, while them come up and pretend, and I don't pretend. So there is a lot of difference between me and them. Them come up on social media, act like say them have the perfect life.
In 3/4 of a
Come and them show them in a them house. Them show in a them house. And them show all these little cheap fangle dangle furniture. We have a little logo on it. Like say them can't buy them the breed of furniture if it was a real motherfucking thing. You understand? And then put on them fake this and them fake that and then come and go all air. And them don't even look good. Them not look good, not ready. Only not ready for the video like yet. Someone wanna look like Donald Duck. Only not ready. You understand? Only not ready yet. You understand?
stay in the left lane.
So, and them come and them go on like say them not cuss, like say them not have the dirtiest attitude or nothing, and then come on social media and then pretend and then come and them like, oh hi sweetheart, when them come off of Facebook, them a call dirty this and dirty that. These mother effing people let me sit here all this time. Can you believe it or whatever? Them cuss Why you think some of them behave so when time then come on social media come slaughter? And when some of them come slaughter me and then look and you looking at them PayPal and them don't even have them and a PayPal me I say and a PayPal me I say some of them come slaughter me, yes, and them looking at them PayPal and then Cash App, and when them not see the money they get mad hang up on you. And when me, of course, them look like a Donald Duck. You know, see them shape just like Donald Duck. In they look up is a cheap clothes them. And they act like them all that. And then we buy a wig every day and bought them a sweet baby here at front ahead. Me want to know if them a baby. Me want to know if someone a baby. Who no look ridiculous like a people like back in days like when I got school.
At the light.
Who no look like when I going to Harley school.
At the light, turn left onto Barber Street.
Ah.
Then turn left onto Cleveland Avenue.
You understand? And that is the thing. That is crazy. Voila. And then why if I come up here? So show me come up here now and be myself. Oh, she go on. Them just cannot take. Them expects because
Go past this
you
light.
might not have certain things in life. You must come up here and put yourself down. If you're poor, you must come out here looking poor. You mustn't come out here looking like you're blessed and highly favored. So if you come out here now and you put on one little piece of whole frock and
At the light. Turn.
Onto Blue Hills Avenue.
just put on one little selfie light. You understand? You are so big. You are so big. Hold on there. I'm here to talk to. I'm here to talk to one of them here to talk to. You are so big. Me know say. For your pussy bigger than for me. Bigger than me. Me not act. Yes, I know. Alright, me say if nobody else make no comment while I wasn't looking. Me know say for your fruit bigger than me. You are so big. That the one is a Ghana. Banned from our live stream. Yes. Yes, my dear. Yeah, but she come on. theater about me so big. Her front bigger than the whole heart for Connecticut. So now me theater big. Her front bigger than the whole heart for Connecticut. I said I'm gonna be nice when the New Year's too early. The New Year's too early. So if you come up here now and you know try to fix up yourself. But me don't know why with them people here. And I like say me come on social media.
In 1.2
Say me come on social media.
Avenue.
And it's from me on social media me I dress up. I have been dressing up like this all my life from a young girl. Huh? The pictures them is there to prove. I used to dress up more than this. I pay a spike heel boot and Cinti used to wear and wedge when me I go up on the road. Me no wear sneakers, me no wear slippers. And the pictures them is there to prove it. So nothing is not gonna change. When it comes to me and putting myself together, I don't know no better. That's the family that I come out of. I come out of the Taylor family. We are big dressers. Our grandfathers and my daddy, when him a come on road at evening time, that's why him have too much woman. My daddy was a nice, handsome man, and him dressed nice with him pants, with him shirt and him pants, and him have a little cane, and him bossy, and he walk with him cane, and him felt that. And the Taylor family, them I saw them go. I saw the Taylor people them stay. Where me grew up with my grandfather, them was back in the days, you know. Back in the days, my grandfather, them, you know, was the only family members in the community that had piano, you know. That's why we have a lot of talented family member that was in Jamaica, that was very established, pay for some of the highest place in Jamaica. Organists and pianists. My family, Taylor family, some of them are well known in town. That play for some of the biggest places and government places and whatever. We are very talented, sophisticated people. Not because I may come up here and behave like a this, but I mean I still have my little sophistication when I'm ready. There is a place and time for everything.